So TJ, we've gone over weld setup, we've talked about power, we've talked about many aspects around the welding, even some equipment that was necessary, as well as making sure that we're practicing and getting ready for that weld. Well, in the interim of the weld, is there any telltale signs of when there may be something going wrong while we're performing that weld?
Yeah, usually when something goes wrong, the technician is aware of it. So we've kind of drove it into them, practice, make sure everything's set up with the welder before the weld. But during that weld, a lot of things, erratic arc could be an issue. Porosity showing up that wasn't there before, a lot of different things. And that could lead to something on the machine itself. They are called consumables for a reason. So if you do have an erratic arc, contact tip, if you do have like the snubbing, the drive rollers could be an issue. A lot of things to look at. So get consistent with your weld first, and then you might have to look at the machine for some possible issues.
If you found today's tip helpful, please hit the thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share the video. Comment below for any future suggestions.
These videos are made possible by SCRS. If you aren't currently a member, I encourage you to join. Visit SCRS.com or use the link in the description below.